Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Then let's tap on reset option and scroll down. As you can see in this reset section, we've got two different options which are connected with resetting the networks. So here, mobile network settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Basically, it works the same. Just tap on the option and tap on reset settings. Tap on reset and we've got this information. So we just reset mobile network settings, and the same situation with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Just tap on it, tap on reset settings, and again we've got this info. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.